what up? So I am at shoe shop. I came here because that nigger over there, Fala, 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 Fala. So Fala brought me here. No, it's a Huawei.
This is Huawei?
Yes.
Yeah. Why do I look like I've been by the roof? God bless the hell out of all of you.
Literally, by the roof.
Yeah,
So,
I'm single.
This is how my Sundays go. You're single?
Yeah, I'm single. Yeah.
Are you sure?
I've never been this sure in my life.
Are you ready to mingle?
Yeah, I'm ready to mingle.
So are you looking
No, I'm not going to mingle. No, like I'm almost menopausic. So I'm open to
really nice options.
Just nice options.
Yeah.
I just don't want a Bobrisky in my family.
Oh my goodness!
No shade, but I need a normal female.
Of course, it has to be very important.
It could have been you. It's just that me and your height were almost the same.
Oh, that means our kids.
Our kids' height deficiency. They might be looking up to us all the time. So
we need somebody to compliment
that we can look down on.
Exactly.
Yeah. Nice to meet all of you.
Thank you.
So when I say action, you walk, all right? Action.
We said we acquired a huge space and we're going to develop it into
Quick outfit of the day, y'all. Oops. Sis. Oh.
Hurry up, bro. There's too much nana.
Why did they pack too much now? What are they covering?
I know the packaging is to secure the thing, but
But you're stressing us right now at this point. Okay. Yeah. Are we ready for this?
oh my god! 2 in 1.
Oh my god!
2 for the price of 1.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Like, y'all look at that. Did you see that or not? Did y'all see that or not? Did y'all need me to make you see that well? Oh my god! How do you feel?
I feel good.
I know, right?
Hey, let's peep.
Let's
peep,
do that.
peep.
Okay. Don't open it too much. Just peep.
Woo! It's black, man.
And black is beautiful. Black is bold. Oh my god, this is so nice. The packaging has this color notes. You know those sticker notes. Sticky note stuff. But this is nice. I love that pack. I would not throw that pack away if it were me. Oh my god, that is brand new. Brand new. Ooh. Oh god. I'm so happy for you. Where's the other one? This is so good. Oh, look at that. Yo, pizza.
God, I watch.
But it's a smarty.
Well, it's smarty. It's a smarty.
It's a smarty, yo.
It's not an AirPod, but
It gets the job
it's
done.
everything that an AirPod is supposed to do.
Exactly.
Alright, thank you.
Try
guys
to
for
spoil
coming.
yourself, oh.
Try this first.
Try to, you get why?
See, as it is like this, it's just 30k. It
As
will be delivered
in,
to you
in your house.
30 back. If you need it, just send a message.
Bam.
Thank you very much for coming.
You're welcome.
I don't know that. I can't fall in love. Not in this life, not now. I'm not a baby. Why would I fall in love?
Why am I so fair? Because of the sun and everything.
It's the skin for me.
It's the skin for me, right? You know,
Milk.
skin like milk. Guys, this girl came to my house, woke me up this morning to go to the market without giving me money. You see the thing I say, who's gonna pay the bills?
When I told you yesterday, let's go to the market, you said okay. Now you're talking rubbish. It's not thunder than fire.
I didn't say okay, I said we'll see.
Thunder
Okay.
fire you for all the strength you put me through.
What?
Thunder fire.
This girl is a clown. I'm done. See this other one looking like Christian mother.
I swear. Go to the paradise. Hallelujah.
Get out.
Amen.
Guys,
Go.
new face there, Boluwatife. Oh, I pronounced that so well. God, Yeah. Yeah.
First day of
I need a Yoruba husband. I can speak Yoruba. Well, what if
It's not hard.
Shut up. It's hard. Tell me the name.
Okay.
So, you guys, we are
I'll not
going
tell you, I'll let
to the market, okay? And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I always do. I'm nice like that. Oh, it's a skin for me. Wait. What? Oh, oh, oh my God!
So, alright.
It's the skin for me. Oh. So let me reintroduce. What up, guys? Take me to the ZO freaking end. That is Sian Spear Makeover.
At the sun.
That's why you have a pair of sunglasses with you, nigga. But meanwhile, this is Fairy, and that's Boluwati Fair. The tallest of them all, the shortest of them all is here as well. It's the skin for. Come now, let's take the pictures. Where is this man? Wear your sunglasses, bitch. Where are you? Where are you guys? Okay, there.
I see here again.
It doesn't see here. It's something just happened right now.
I'm not right now.
Patience, where are you? I'm trying to click this shit. I can still cut you out of this picture. You're not that important, so don't get me angry.
I'll go there. It's just for me, y'all. Guys, this girl is making me do
We are buying akara, guys, because
No.
this morning,
potato.
you bought potato. Me, I need
And
akara.
salt.
Ma, please, let me have akara. 15 naira. Hope nobody's eating my akara, but I need sauce. POS people.
Baby, the way you're trying me. I am not the 1 or 2 or 3. Give me some. As I was going to the market, going to the shop, I saw a little lady with a flower on her head, shaking her buttocks, shaking her waist, and turn around till I say stop.
Guys, Mary's taking us for her birthday shopping. She's shopping for all of us. Isn't she just the cutest? The cutest. This girl is so broke. What's first in the shop? All these are level. Okay, lad.
Hello, baby.
Maybe far. So you want to breastfeed me?
You hate what?
Okay.
It's
Sister,
night gown.
night gown, go no. I like this one. I love the
I
color.
like this one.
But with this size, let me see this size. We're at a brush store. Let me see this one here. She actually wore a bralette already inside that has bra cup and all those things.
So how is it going to be now if I'm not wearing it? Your nipple is going to be fitted.
It will not be fitted.
Your nipple is here. But the cleavage, it's long.
It's long. scalp is itching like crazy. I need to wash my hair. And I want to do a video on an updated skincare routine. Okay, I have some skincare products. I want to do an updated video of my skincare routine. So let me know, guys, if you like to see that video in the comment section. Please let me know so that I can bring that video to you. It's going to be lovely. But subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.